Hello friends, today we will learn about structure of chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up of many chromatin threads, each containing DNA and proteins. Chromosomes are made of 50% proteins, that is structure, protection, turn genes on and off, and 50% DNA. Means 50% protein, 50% DNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Somatic cells contain somatic cells contain 46 chromosomes. Gametic cells contain 23 chromatins. 44 of our chromosomes are autosomes, while 2 are called sex chromosomes. Each chromosome contains many genes that act as a blueprint or set of instructions for the cell. Electron microscopic studies later showed that there is no definite membranous pellicle surrounding the chromosome. Other structures present in the chromosome include the chromatin, centromere, secondary constrictions, nucleolar organizer, telomeres, and satellites. Let's know about types of chromosome on the basis of number of centromere. The number of centromeres present on the chromosome help in determining the type of chromosomes. These different chromosome types based on the number of centromeres are of different types. First is acentric chromosome. What do you mean by acentric chromosome? Acentric chromosomes are those that lack centromeres, that is, the chromosome is totally absent on the chromosome. These chromosomes are observed due to effects of chromosome breaking process like irradiation. Monocentric chromosome. Monocentric chromosomes are those that contain a single centromere. This type of chromosome is present in most of the organisms. The monocentric chromosomes can be called acrocentric if the centromere is located at the end of the chromosome, and if the centromere is located towards the centromere, it is called metacentric chromosome. And telocentric chromosomes are those in which the centromere is present at the chromosome's end. Dicentric chromosome. Dicentric chromosomes are those that have two centromeres that is present on its arms. These chromosomes are formed after two chromosomal segments with a centromere each are fused end to end. This causes them to lose their acentric fragments, leading to formation of dicentric chromosome. Let's know about polycentric chromosome. What do you mean by polycentric chromosome? Polycentric chromosomes are those that contain more than two centromeres. These chromosomes are very common in plants. For example, adder tongue fern has 1262 chromosomes. They include the autosomes and sex chromosomes. Thus, in all, humans contain 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. This leads to presence of 46 chromosomes present per cell. Chromosomes are very important for each and every organism as the future of their offsprings depends on the normal division and separation of chromosomes. On the basis of position of centromere chromosomes are different types. First is metacentric chromosome. Metacentric chromosomes have the centromere in the center, such that both sections are of equal length. Human chromosome is 1 and 3 are metacentric. Let's know about submetacentric chromosome. Submetacentric chromosome have the centromere slightly offset from the center, leading to a slight asymmetry in the length of two sections. Human chromosomes 4 through 12 and 12 are submetacentric. Let's know about acrocentric chromosomes. Acrocentric chromosomes have a centromere which is severely offset from the center, leading to one very long and one very short section. Human chromosomes 15, 13, 15, 21 and 22 are acrocentric. Let's know about telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosomes have the centromere at the very end of the chromosome. Humans do not possess telocentric chromosomes, but they are found in other species such as mice. Metacentric. Metacentric means center, V-shaped equal arms. Example: Transdescantia amphibians like this. Submetacentric is near center. Its position is near center, and submedian, that is in J or L shaped. Two unequal arms are there. It's present in human being. Acrocentric. Acrocentric measure here near at one end, subterminal, and shape is one arm very short and another is long. This is in grasshopper. Telocentric means terminal in position. Position of centromere is terminal and shape is rod-like, and example is Drosophila. Let's know about chromosome anomaly, abnormality or aberration. When the chromosome structure is altered, this can take in several forms. Deletions. A portion of the chromosome is missing or deleted. Known disorders in humans include Wolff-Hirschsprung syndrome, which is caused by partial deletion of the short arm of chromosome 4, and Jacobsen syndrome, also called the terminal 11q deletion disorder. Duplications. A portion of the chromosome is duplicated, resulting in extra genetic material. Known human disorders include Charcot-Marie tooth disorder type 1A, which may be caused by duplication of the gene encoding peripheral myelin protein 22 on chromosome 17. Now come to translocations. When a portion of one chromosome is transferred to another chromosome, there are two main types of translocations. In a reciprocal translocation, segments from two different chromosomes have been exchanged. In a Robertsonian translocation, an entire chromosome has attached to another at the centromere. In humans, these only occur with chromosomes 13, 14, 15, 21 and 22. Inversions. A portion of the chromosome has broken up, turned upside down and reattached. Therefore, the genetic material is inverted. Rings. A portion of a chromosome has broken up and formed a circle or ring. This can happen with or without loss of genetic material. Isochromosome. Formed by the mirror image copy of a chromosome segment including the centromere. The gain or loss of DNA from chromosomes can lead to a variety of genetic disorders. Human examples include cri-du-chat, which is caused by the deletion of the part of the short arm of chromosome 5. Cri-du-chat means cry of the cat. In French, the condition was so named because affected babies make high-pitched cries that sound like those of cat. Affected individuals have wide-set eyes, a small head and jaw, moderate to severe mental health issues, and are very short. Down syndrome usually is caused by an extra copy of chromosome 21, trisomy 21. Characteristics include decreased muscle tone, stockier build, asymmetrical skull, slanting eyes, and mild to moderate developmental disability. Edwards syndrome, which is the second most common trisomy. Down syndrome is the most common. It is a trisomy of chromosome 18. Symptoms include motor retardation, developmental disability, or numerous congenital anomalies causing serious health problems. 90% die in infancy. However, those that live past their first birthday usually are quite healthy thereafter. They have a characteristic clenched hands and overlapping fingers. IDIC 15, abbreviation for isodicentric 15 on chromosome 15, also called the following names due to various researches, but they all mean the same. IDIC 15, inverted duplication 15, extra marker in dup 15, partial tetrasomy 15. Jacobsen syndrome, also called the terminal 11-9 deletion disorder. This is a very rare disorder. Those affected have normal intelligence or mild developmental disability with poor expressive language skills. Most have a bleeding disorder called Paris Trausia syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome XXY. Men with Klinefelter syndrome are usually sterile and tend to have longer arms and legs and to be taller than their peers. Boys with the syndrome are often shy and quiet and have a higher incidence of speech delay and dyslexia. During puberty, without testosterone treatment, some of them may develop gynecomastia. Pottau syndrome, also called D syndrome or trisomy 13. Symptoms are somewhat similar to those of trisomy 18, but they do not have the characteristic hand shape. Small supernumerary marker chromosome. This means there is an extra abnormal chromosome. Features depend on the origin of the extra genetic material. Cat-eye syndrome and isodicentric chromosome 15 syndrome are both caused by supernumeracy marker chromosome, as is Pallister-Killian syndrome. Triple X syndrome XXX. Triple X girls tend to be tall and thin. They have a higher incidence of dyslexia. Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, female sexual characteristics are present but underdeveloped. People with Turner syndrome often have a short stature, low hairline, abnormal eye features, and bone development and caved in appearance to the chest. XYY syndrome. XYY boys are usually taller than their siblings. Like XXY boys and XXX girls, they are somewhat more likely to have learning difficulties. Wolf Hirschhorn syndrome, which is caused by partial deletion of the short arm of chromosome 4. It is characterized by severe growth retardation and severe to profound mental health issues. Let's know about giant chromosomes. There are chromosomes which are extremely large compared to normal chromosomes. Such chromosomes are giant chromosomes, occur in some animal cells. Two types of giant chromosomes are known. First is Lamb-Brush chromosome and second is Polytene chromosomes. Let's know about Lamb-Brush chromosomes. It is discovered by Rocket. Rocket. Lamb-Brush chromosomes were seen in oocytes of several different animals like shark, amphibians, reptiles, and birds. Giant size of these chromosomes is due to increase in size of chromonema. Chromonema grows in size to form lateral loops. These loops give it a brush-like appearance. That is why these are called Lamb-Brush chromosomes. Lamb-Brush chromosomes concerned with vitellogenesis. That is vitellogenesis means yolk formation. Synthesis of mRNA occurs on a later loop. Let's know about compound chromosome, a genetic engineering procedure which produces two chromosomes, in one of which the left arms of the two original chromosomes are joined together and the two original right arms are also joined together, used in genetic control of insect populations. Let's know about homologous chromosomes. Chromosome. The chromosomes of a matching pair in the dipole diploid complement that contain alleles of specific genes. Ring chromosome. A chromosome in which both ends have been lost and the two broken ends have united to form a ring-shaped figure. Z chromosome. Sex chromosome in animals such as poultry, in which the female is the heterogametic sex. The male has the ZZ genotype and the female the ZW genotype. Let's know about polytene chromosome. First is Blambros and second is polytene. So we will learn about polytene chromosomes. It was first observed by E.G. Balbiani in Chironomus. These are commonly salivary gland chromosomes. These are found in the larva of certain diphtheria. Such banded chromosomes occur in the larval salivary glands, mid-gut epithelium, and rectum and malpighian tubules of various genera, that is Drosophila sierra. Polytene chromosomes get their name from the fact that they are formed by many parallel chromatids, often more than 1,000 strands, which do not separate from one another following duplication. Along each chromatid strand, some regions of chromatin are tightly coiled and other regions are less coiled, with the result that polytene chromosomes appear to consist of light and dark bands when observed under a microscope. Main function of the polytene chromosome is to carry genes which ultimately control physiology of an organism. These genes are found of DNA molecules. Let's know about supernumerary chromosomes. In nuclei of some plants and animals, in addition to normal chromosomes, are present one or more accessory or supernumerary chromosomes. Wilson first discovered these in 1905 in Hemipteran insect Metapodius. Since then, they have been found in a variety of insects and in a great many higher plants. In Metapodius, these are derived from Y chromosome. More commonly, their ancestry is entirely unknown. Generally, they are of smaller size and appear to be genetically inert. These tables give the total number of chromosomes, including sex chromosomes, in a cell nucleus. For example, human cells are diploid and have 22 different types of autosomes, each present as 20 copies and 2 sex chromosomes. This gives 46 chromosomes in total. Other organisms have more than 2 copies of their chromosomes, such as bread wheat, which is hexaploid and has 6 copies of 7 different chromosomes, 42 chromosomes in total. Let's know about transposons. Transposon is discovered by Barbara McClintock. Genomes evolve by rearranging the existing sequences. Rearrangement of sponsored by processes internal to the genome. These two of the major causes of rearrangements are: first is unequal recombination results from mispairing by the cellular systems for homologous recombination. Second is another major cause of variation is provided by transposable elements or transposons. These are discrete sequences in the genome that are mobile. They are able to transport themselves to other locations within the genome. Transposons that mobilize via DNA are found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Each bacterial transposon carries genes that code for the enzyme activities required for its own transposition. In eukaryotes, their enzymatic functions are not so well characterized. A genome may contain both functional and non-functional elements. Often the majority of elements in a eukaryotic genome are defective